Hello student, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about power of lens. Class 10th physics topic, power of lens. Dear student, power of lens means ability of lens to converge the ray of light falling on it. Ability of lens to converge ray of light. If lens is related to high power, so it will converge light rays very near to it. According to definition of power of lens, ability of lens to converge. If lens converges light rays closer, it means lens is high power. And if light rays converge light rays far from it, if lens converges light rays far from it, it means power of lens is less. So according to this, we can understand this is first lens, and when light rays traveling parallel to this lens converging at this point, distance from optical center to this is focal length. In this case f is this, and in case of second lens, light rays converging near to the lens, it means that second lens is high powerful. And P is always inversely proportional to the focal length. It means that inversely proportional means if power is less, then focal length is greater. If focal length is less, then power is greater. In this case, focal length is less, so power of this lens is higher. And in the case of this lens, focal length is greater than this lens. If focal length is greater, it means power is less. First, you have to know about what is the mean of converging. If light rays converge, if lens light rays converge near to it, it means that lens is high powerful. If light rays converged by the lens is far from the lens, so it means that lens is less powerful. Formula of power is P is equal to 1 upon F. P is equal to 1 upon F, and always power is inversely proportional to the focal length in this case. And unit of power is diopter. What is the unit of power is diopter? You have to show power is P is equal to 1 upon F. Suppose you have to define 1 diopter. So to easily calculate about 1 diopter, you have to write unit of power. You have to write in the place of P 1, and after that unit of the power. Unit of power is diopter. And again in the formula, write in the place of F1 and unit of focal length. SI unit of focal length is meter. Suppose you have to describe what is 1 diopter. Dear students, if you want to describe about 1 diopter, it means that 1 diopter is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. 1 diopter is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Numericals related to power of lens. Dear students, to calculate value of power of lens, always focal length should be in meter. Suppose if F is equal to 10 meter, and you have to calculate power of lens. Dear students, we know that P is equal to 1 upon F in meter. In case value in meter, then power is this. And in the case of centimeter, you can write in the place of centimeter. In centimeter, P is equal to 100 upon F. In case of centimeter. Dear students, we can calculate power of both the lenses, convex and concave lens. We know that focal length of convex lens is always positive, so power of the convex lens is also always positive. Focal length of convex lens is positive, so power is always positive in convex lens. In case of convex lens, power should be always positive, and in case of concave lens, power should be always negative. You can easily identify the solution of this type of question. Suppose power of a lens is minus 10 centimeter. What type of lens is this? Because power is negative, so it should be concave lens. And second, suppose power of a lens is 2 meter. In this case, power is positive, so it should be convex. And suppose power is negative, so it should be concave. In this question, suppose focal length of any lens is 10 meter, calculate its powers. In this case, focal length in meter, so formula should be P is equal to 1 upon F. So P is equal to 1 upon 10, that is equal to 0.1 diopter. And suppose question related to centimeter, if F is equal to 20 centimeter minus of 20 centimeter, you have to calculate power. Since power in the case of centimeter, we can write 100 upon F. So P is equal to 100 upon minus of 20, that is equal to minus 5, and unit of power is diopter. And in this case, we can easily identify which type of lens is this. Because power is positive, so it should be convex. In this case, power is negative, so it should be concave. So try all the questions related to power of lens at your home. Thank you.